Hi everybody, welcome to the LIONSTEEL booth. We're finally back to IWA show 2023 and I can show you some knives we have here. So the next folder we have in schedule is the Nano. It's the little brother of the Mito, and it features a Magna Cut steel blade, titanium frame with solid clip, small removable flipper tab. The packaging is the usual cardboard box by LIONSTEEL. This would be the carbon fiber variation with the handy tool included. And then there will be also the canvas handle in a natural black and green. So after the big T6 blade, we'll have the Willy as the next little pocket fixed blade knife. It features an M390 blade, a titanium guard, and a solid handle made milled from a solid block as usual. It will come with a leather sheet. So it's something completely different from the T6. It will come with a different variation in handles with the Santos and olive wood handle, green and natural canvas, black G10 and carbon fiber. After the Nano, with the same design but a completely different construction, we'll have the N1, the first knife made without any screw on the frame. Will come this kind of box, and the construction is very unique, as you can see. Very complicated to make, a lot of milling, high precision milling, and then a special assembling process that in this moment I cannot tell, otherwise my boss will stab me, but will feature a Magna Cut steel blade, and it will be the collection piece variation of this new family of folding knives. So hope you like them, and thank you for visiting LIONSTEEL booth.
But only one question, could you explain me? Maybe I made some reviews and some videos from the biggest companies from USA, from Italy, here on IWA, and companies started to use Magna Cut steel. What do you think about this decision? Why Magna Cut? Why not better? Why not something else? Because actually almost every big company in this season started to use Magna Cut steel.
Yeah, we started to use it with the Leone Karambit. It was the first time, and we've been among the first to use the Magna Cut steel because we found out that it was a very high-end one, and we had some people and many customers asking for a trial to try the Magna Cut after the M390. So we tried it and we think it's a very good one. I mean, it's a high-end, high performance, it's super good to work with. So we find out that it's a very good steel for the folding knives. We made also some fixed blades, but for those one we have also some CPM 3V. It's very good. We used also the K490, but it takes a long time to have it back. So we use both. We're trying different steels, and these are very good. All of them we're trying for the moment. We see what happens in the future. There will be new ones, but for now Magna Cut is we find out that it's a very good one.
This is very, very popular steel in this season, in this year.
In this moment, yes. But you know, it's right. The people want to try new things and look for new things. So we have to answer to this need. It's cool.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Arthur.